हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सब? मैं आशा करती हूँ आप सब बिल्कुल ठीक होंगे. सो आर यू रेडी टू स्टार्ट द न्यू चैप्टर? लेट्स स्टार्ट द चैप्टर हेवनली बॉडीज. सो बच्चों, इन दिस चैप्टर यू विल लर्न अबाउट solar system, right? You will learn about earth and its rotation, movements, right बच्चों? So are you ready? Let's start the chapter. We see many heavenly bodies in the sky during the day and night time. We see sun, clouds, rainbow, etc. during the daytime and moon and stars during the night time. है ना? देखते हो ना आप? The sun is the brightest object in the sky. सबसे ज़्यादा शाइन करता है. हम नहीं देख सकते ना इसे continuously. क्या आप देख सकते हो? In the daytime when sun brights, आप देखते हो? नहीं देख पाते हो क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा bright होता है. It is a huge ball of hot burning gases which gives us heat and light. There are billions of stars in the sky which are bigger than the sun. But sun appears to be the biggest because it is closest to the earth. बहुत सारे ऐसे stars हैं बेटा जो sun से भी बड़े हैं, लेकिन ये धरती के भी पास है, तो ये इसलिए बड़ा दिखाई देता है. The sun is the main source of energy for all the living things in the world. है ना एनर्जी का सोर्स? अगर आप धूप नहीं मिलेगी तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें रुक जाएंगी, राइट बच्चों? Solar system. The sun and the 8 planets around it form the solar system. The 8 planets in the order of their distance from the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Right bachcho? You can see a beautiful solar system. Planets do not have light of their own. They reflect the light of the sun and hence glow. They move around the sun in fixed oval shaped paths called orbits. And Earth? It is the third planet from the sun in our solar system and it is the only planet which can support life because it has water and atmosphere. It is at just the right distance from the sun to get enough heat and light. It is the only one. The earth is spherical in shape and is a little flattened at the poles. Many years ago, people used to believe that earth has a flat planet and if ships sailed too far, they would fall off the edge of the earth. But then Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese sailor, sailed in ship from one point of the earth and returned back to it many years later without turning around. तो इससे क्या पता चलता है? The shape of the earth is spherical. This proved that the earth is round in shape. है ना? तो क्या हुआ? जहाँ से शुरू किया था बहुत सालों के बाद वो वहीं पहुँच गए, तो गोल हो गई ना धरती. Astronauts have sent pictures of the earth from space which also proved that the earth is round in shape. When we see ship appearing at the horizon, its top appears first, then the middle portion and finally the whole ship appears. This shows that the ship is rolling along a curved surface. The earth looks flat to us because we are able to see a very small portion it at a time. Okay, so movements of earth के बारे में जानना चाहोगे? Let's start. The earth moves into two ways. One is rotation and another is revolution. So before reading about it, we will have a look on knowledge booster. Most of the sunlight crosses the atmosphere to reach the earth. It keeps the earth warm and most of the heat remains trapped in the atmosphere to further warm the earth. So now have a look on rotation of the earth. The first way, the earth keeps spinning on its axis once in 24 hours. इसीलिए एक दिन में कितने hours होते हैं? 24. Axis is the imaginary line passing through the center of the earth and it is slightly tilted. This movement of earth on its axis is called rotation. जो ये घूमती है ना? How much time does it take? 24 hours. Right बच्चों. Rotation of earth causes days and night. The part of earth facing the sun gets light. जब ये sun के उसमें आती है तो light आ जाती है and experiences the daytime. And the other part of earth which is on opposite side of sun does not get light and remain dark. It experiences night. है ना? जब उस पार्ट में नहीं होती जहाँ सन होता है, सन के अपोजिट पॉइंट पे होती है, तो फिर क्या हो जाता है? डार्क, एंड डार्क से क्या होता है? नाइट. So as the earth goes on rotating, the sunlight part moves into the dark side and has night and vice versa. ऐसे ही चलता रहता है, right? अब हम पढ़ेंगे revolution के बारे में. Revolution is the movement of earth around the sun in a fixed orbit. The earth takes 365 1/4 days or 1 year to complete one revolution. Revolution of earth causes seasons and moon is our nearest neighbor in space. It also rotates on its axis once in 27 days. Moon also revolves around the earth once in 27 days. एक बार 27 days में. 27 days, once in 27 days. Okay. Since the time of rotation and revolution of the moon is same, so therefore we see the moon has big holes called craters. Can you see? Phases of moon. अब moon के phases भी होते हैं. कौन से? The moon does not have light of its own. It shines by the sunlight, reflecting the light of the sun. We can only see that part of the moon which reflects light towards us. Therefore, we see different shapes of the moon on different days. है ना? उसी तरह की shapes दिखाई देती हैं जहाँ जहाँ part पे light पड़ती है. These shapes of the moon are known as the phases of the moon. You can see these phases जहाँ पे shadow है वो part आपको नहीं दिखाई देता. New moon, crescent moon, half moon, gibbous moon and full moon. Stars and constellations. There are millions of stars in the sky which appear as tiny specks of twinkling light. There are actually huge balls of hot gases which give out heat and light, and they look tiny because they are very far from us. बहुत ज़्यादा दूर है बच्चों, इसलिए छोटे छोटे दिखाई देते हैं. There are many groups of stars which appear to form fixed patterns or shapes in the sky, such as shape of a bear, a lion or a hunter, etc. These groups of stars are called constellations. For example, Saptarishi, Orion, है ना? Have you heard about this? If not, go to your mom and ask her about. Chapter summary. The sun and the planets make up the solar system. The earth is the only planet which can support life. Earth performs two movements, rotation and revolution. Rotation of the earth causes days and nights, and revolution causes seasons. We see different shapes of the moon every night. They are the phases of the moon. Many stars appearing in fixed patterns are called constellations. So बच्चों, I hope you understood the chapter. Now it's the time to practice through exercises. So have fun.